Hi! This video will explain how to use the Codesters toolkit and platform to complete lessons. At the end of each lesson, you'll have a project to share that demonstrates all the skills you've learned. We'll always start with an example project that shows you what those skills are and what they look like in a working program. After we show you what a finished project might look like, you'll complete a series of activities that will help you start to build your own project. We'll start each activity by reading the directions. Here, we'll click Run and watch the sprite on the stage. It looks like today we'll learn how to give the stage a background, add a sprite, and move it around. When you're done viewing the example, click Submit and then Next to continue. Now let's start building our project. The directions say, click on Stage, drag Park into the bottom of your program. When we click on the Stage section of the toolkit, the blue blocks that appear show us all of the possible stage backgrounds that we can choose from. Notice that the suggested background from the directions is highlighted in orange. To pull it into your program, click and hold, and drag it into the code editor, and then release. Then, click Run to check your changes. When you get a green check at the top of the stage, you can click Submit and Next to move on to the next activity. In the next activity, we'll practice changing the background. The directions say, change the image name from Park to Jungle. We can use the code editor instead of the toolkit to make changes like this. Move your cursor into the editor, click on the word Park, and change it to Jungle instead. Make sure to keep the quotes in parentheses. Then, we can click Run to see our changes. Look for the green check, then click Submit to save our progress, and then Next to move on. Another type of activity you'll see is called a debugging activity. This is not part of your project, but it will show you some common errors that people have when programming. It's important here to read the instructions and try to figure out what you can do to make the program work properly. Here, we're asked to click Run and read the error message that pops up. You can also refer to the directions for additional hints and information. This error message tells us that there's an unclosed string on line 1 and suggests that maybe we forgot to close the quotes. Let's look at line 1 to find the problem. There it is. Close the quotes around the word Subway, then click Run to check your work, look for the green check, and then click Submit and Next to move on. That's it, you're ready to get started with your first lesson. Finish the rest of the activities, and on the last one you'll see an Extend project. Read the instructions to find some suggestions about how to build onto or change your project. You can use the toolkit or make changes directly to the editor. This project will get shared to a class page where you and your classmates can review each other's work. Have fun and try new things. Coding is creative.